Hello guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this phone animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project files. We have three layers. First background and phone 1. This main phone and phone 2. Let's select this phone 2, let's press P and make new position keyframe, go to 3 keyframe. For shortcut you can use page down in the keyboard for go to 1 keyframe. Let's click 1, 2 and 3. Let's zoom layer and move to up like this and go to 3 keyframe again. Let's zoom keyframes and go to 3 keyframe again, 1, 2, 3. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then press N in the keyboard for select work area. And select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease or F9. Let's see. Okay. Then select this phone 2 again, hold shift, press R, make rotation keyframe and go to here. Change rotation -2, click enter and move to left. Okay, and go to here, change rotation 2 and go to last keyframe, change again 0. Let's select these rotation keyframes and make again easy. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's select this phone 2 layer, click this icon for motion blur and click this icon for enable all motion blur layers. Let's see. Nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.